Hello, welcome back to another day with Pretty Like Queen DJ. If you new, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you old, hey love bud.
Run me my money, nigga. Run me my money, bitch. Run me my money, run me my money, nigga. Run me my money, bitch. Run me my money, run me my money. Yeah, cash out.
All right, so right now, y'all, I know my water was running. It was crazy. I am just slicking back my hair real quick. I really needed to do something with it. So this week, I'm probably going to get a silk press and a trim. It's like all over the place. But I'm getting ready to go work out. Well, to go walking. I haven't like fully like done a workout regimen, but walking is working out to me. So I'm about to do this before I have to go to work. I just threw on this t-shirt because it was old with a little. So I just have the biker shorts on. Anyways, I'm about to get ready to put my waist trainer on. Then I'm gonna meet my homegirl so we can go walking, and then I can come back, get a little bit of sleep before I have to go back to work. Okay, these graveyard shifts. Boy, by the time I get home, I have no clue what I was saying right here. I was actually getting a phone call, but what I didn't know was that the phone call was stopping my recording. So I'm talking to y'all. Lord knows what I'm talking about right here. Y'all just gonna have to work with me real quick. I apologize. Y'all, I didn't even realize when I was still talking to y'all, because my sis was calling me, that the audio done cut off. Now, come on now. As much I paid for this iPhone 12 Pro Max, you should be able to do some immaculate shit, okay? I'm not understanding. I am not understanding. But it's okay, you know, whatever. So I'm just right now, I am cleaning off my waist trainer. I be forgetting to do it until I get ready to get back into my waist trainer. Then I be like, damn, I needed to clean the sweat off of that shit, because I don't like that shit, like old sweat touching me and shit. That shit nasty, okay? Nasty. I don't wear the same workout clothes twice. Like, no. I have to wash it. That's just so nasty. But, I mean, hey, if you be like, look, I'm a little on the poor side, and I can't be washing my clothes all the time. Trust me, I know. I live in an apartment, okay? I know how it gets to be washing, but I just think that putting on clothes that was already sweaty, or putting something that was sweaty onto your body after you already washed yourself and shit like that, it defeats the purpose. You're gonna be dirty again. That's just I'm not with it. But you know, that's just me. I don't even wear the same workout clothes twice. Like, no. I have to wash it. That's just so nasty. But, I mean, hey, if you be like, look, I'm a little on the poor side, and I can't be washing my clothes all the time. Trust me, I know. I live in an apartment, okay? I know how it gets to be washing, but I just think that putting on clothes that was already sweaty, or putting something that was sweaty onto your body after you already washed yourself and shit like that, it defeats the purpose. You're gonna be dirty again. That's just I'm not with it. But you know, that's just me. I am on my way to go walking with my homegirl. It's actually a pretty cool day. It's a little warm, but it's not like too warm. Yeah, y'all. It be like the middle of fucking nowhere, bro. Houses have cows and shit. Hay and whatnot, whatever else they do on these little farms. So I just gotta pass up this area before I make it to the park that I'm gonna go walk at. Hey y'all, so look, I forgot to take y'all with me when I was running a couple errands, but I done stopped at my goddamn liquor store, market, whatever it wants to be called, and I went to go get my favorite water, which is the essentials. Why do they only got this little baby ass bottle? First of all, I could drink this shit in like 3 little gobbles. I'm so mad I had to buy 2. And then I seen that they had my Calypsos. Now normally I get the blue raspberry, but today I'm gonna try this kiwi lemonade. It looks like it's gonna slap, so we gonna see. I'm excited to try it, and y'all gonna try it with me. Y'all, it's the moment of truth. Let's see how this tastes. Oh yeah. Oh, this shit slaps. Okay. Oh wow, this might be my new favorite now. Should have called this bitch Ebony. What's up, pretty gang? All right. If you new, welcome back to another day with Pretty Light Queen DJ. If you coming back, hey y'all, what's up? Okay, how y'all doing, love bugs? So right now, I am about to go get my nails done from this very good tech lady out in IE. She works kind of far from me, but she does immaculate nails. She did my birthday nails. If you haven't seen it, go ahead, go to my birthday vlog. You'll see my nails. Did a really good job. So yeah. Hey, get into them.
Making on it, go to kissing on it for a long time. I wanna go another round with you, baby, only if you don't mind.
Good morning, Pretty Like Queen DJ gang. What's up, pretty gang? Okay, so I'm out and about and I'm looking crazy. I gotta go to the wash house to wash my clothes. I will be so ready when I move. Like, I hate going to the wash house. My apartments have washer and dryers. I don't like going in my apartments. Last time I went, something was on my clothes, like what, oil stain or something, and it fucked that shit up. So no, I will continue going to the wash house, continue complaining about it, because I can't stay in the wash house. There's too many motherfuckers there. Like, bro, everybody can't be washing their clothes on the same day at the same fucking time. Like, this shit be crazy how packed it is. Oops. I'm just not really understanding. Not at all. I mean, I could get a better apartment complex. I really need something with a washer and dryer hookup. But, I mean, why move into another apartment complex when I'd rather just move into a house? It makes more sense. Gotta be works smarter, not harder. I mean, it makes really good common sense. Anyways, sorry for my little rant. If you new, how y'all doing? Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you owe, welcome back, y'all. Hi, little bugs. Alright, so I'm currently at Starbucks, though. Let me order my drink. Oh, wait. Shit, I didn't even get to the fucking window yet. Yo, I'm so tired. It's crazy. I love my nails. Really did do a good job with my nails. I love it. I love going to her. I mean, she's a little far. I'm not gonna lie. But, I mean, she ain't that far. And I be pushing anyways. And she don't charge that much. And she does anything I want. Hold on, y'all.
Hi, thanks for choosing Starbucks. Any food I can get started for you?
No, thank you. Can I get a vanilla sweet cream brew? Can I get that with extra ice, a splash of milk, 2 pumps of white chocolate mocha syrup? And can I get that in a venti cup, please?
Okay, and did you still want the vanilla syrup in there?
Yes.
Alright, and then we're adding just like a splash of 2% in addition to the sweet cream, right?
Yes, but it's actually whole milk and not 2%.
Hold on, no worries.
Y'all, don't judge me right now, okay? I know I'm looking a little rough, but that's only because I really just need to wash my clothes and then go home and lay the fuck down. That's it. Wash my clothes, lay down, get ready for work all night. I got a family reunion thing to go to tomorrow, so I'ma go. I'm just not staying long at all because I gotta work tomorrow night too. So I'll probably get there around 3 o'clock and probably leave around like 6. No, probably like 5:30. Get home around 6. Go to sleep. Wake up around 9:30 or so, and then be at my house by 10:15, 10:30. Get to work all night. That's just my schedule.